Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can convert a PNG image to a sketch using Python. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, we have to install a library called sketchpy. This library will help us to convert the PNG image into the sketch. So it installs sketchpy and then I'm gonna hit enter. So the moment it gets downloaded, we would import it from sketchpy import canvas. Basically, the canvas function which would allow us to convert the PNG image to sketch. So now we have to create an object variable and name it canvas dot sketch underscore from underscore image, and then what we have to do is that we have to define the path, which is elon.png. Make sure the script and the image is in the same folder. I'm gonna enter the path, which is elon.png, and then afterwards you can object.draw, and then we have to also define the threshold for it. It could be 120 or 125, and that's up to you. Yes, that's it. It only takes just 3 lines to create this sketch animation. Okay, so this is the PNG image before, and if I just run this program, Python name, you can see that the image has been created, the sketch has been formed. If we just compare this sketch with the PNG file, they are both pretty same, and it is very detailed sketch of this PNG image. So that's it for today's video. If you like, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.